Hello everyone, this is Fred with USA Measurements, and today I'm going to show you how you can use your US-WT100 indicator with our US-WT100 wireless transmitter. Now here we're looking at our wireless transmitter. This is the side that has a battery and it comes with a power adapter to charge the unit, as you can see here. Now this end here can be set up with either a male or a female connector depending on the type of scale. And we can sell this as a upgrade at a later date if you want to upgrade your scale to wireless, or it can be purchased as a bundle and we set it up and calibrate it for you. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use it, and we're going to start by plugging this in. And then I'm going to go ahead and plug this in here. This is our transmitter. Now what you'll notice here is that there's a power adapter here on the wireless transmitter, and the power for this comes from the digital display, which operates off of 3 AA batteries. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the unit, and you'll see you won't have to actually turn on your wireless transmitter. Once it's turned on from the display, it will turn on the transmitter and the receiver will start to communicate. And then from here, you're ready to go and you can start weighing. Thank you for watching.